In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make social media posts using Canva. Let's jump right in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Canva's website. If you already have an account, hit the login button and continue through Google or your preferred method to access your account. If you haven't logged in before, you'll need to select your Google account or any other account you've previously used to create or join Canva. Once you're logged into Canva, you're on a good path. Now, there are multiple design options you can choose from. Click on the More option to explore all the creative possibilities. In today's demonstration, let's focus on creating a Facebook post. You can use this as a base template, but of course you can select different platforms depending on your needs. For Facebook, type Facebook post into the search bar and select the appropriate size, typically 940 by 788 pixels for the best display. Canva offers an array of templates. You can browse through various designs, so don't hesitate to take your time and find what best suits your brand or message. Once you select a template, the design elements become editable. At this point, let's talk about personalization. Click on the Uploads option to include any specific image you'd like to incorporate. Simply click on the image to add it, resize it to fit the layout, and reposition it to best serve the aesthetics of your post. Highlighting key sections of your design can help draw attention to important elements. To add text, click on the Text button and choose Add a Heading. You'll want to type out your message or call to action here. When crafting the text, ensure it's concise yet impactful, tailoring your message to align with your audience's interests. After typing, you can resize and move the text to ensure it integrates well with your design. Now, reviewing is crucial. Take a moment to examine your work. Is the image precisely positioned? Is the text clear and readable? Ensuring you're satisfied with your design is crucial before proceeding to post. If everything checks out, click the Share button. At this step, Canva offers a direct sharing option to social media platforms. Opt to share it directly on your Facebook page, and if prompted, connect your Facebook account. You are also not limited to Facebook alone. From the sharing menu, you can choose to post on various platforms, extending your reach across different audiences. And there you have it. You've successfully created a social media post using Canva, ready to engage your followers and add vibrancy to your feed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial content like this.